Hey there, UKDCers. I've got a little Italian knife. This is very inexpensive. This is a loaner from Carl Pearson, by the way, at British EDC on Instagram. Thank you very much for the lens, sir. This is a very affordable little Italian slip joint that's available on Heine Haynes. And I have been looking at this one for quite a while, but happily it's just been sent to me. So there you go. You just get a very simple box. Don't know if any of that means anything, but yeah, nice enough. Like I said, it's not an expensive knife anyway. And you get this, I'm going to say, budget quality pocket knife. It's not bad, considering the price. It's got some very, very nice wood here, which is actually contoured right here as well, which is actually really nice. What's the blade look like? So you got a nail neck. Oh, that's a bit of a pull on that one. I'll get this on the spring scale and we'll throw that up on the screen for you now. Oh, that is not an easy knife to deploy. And you can see Antonini Siciliano, Italy, pocket, and then inoxidable or stainless, basically. Yeah, what is immediately jumping out to me on this knife is the gapping is pretty serious. You can see on the back there, just at the end. Yeah, you can see my hand through the liner there. I mean, it's really not the end of the world. This will still do you a day's work. Like you can see the wood's cracked here as well, which is not a good sign, especially not near a pin. If it was cracked like sort of there, that's not an actual crack. But if that line was a crack, that wouldn't matter at all. But when it's sort of connecting to a pin, it's a bit of a that's not good. Anyway, the fit and finish issues aside, what a pleasant little spear. Very skinny handle, beautifully ergonomic. The bumps in that really fit into the hand quite nice. I can grip that very solid. I don't know how this would work with wet hands. I don't imagine too well, but with dry hands, that's really good. You have a nice satin finish on that. Sharpening choil, which is great to see. Let's have a look and see how sharp it is. Sharp enough. It will do the job. Could do with a sharpen, but I'm sure you'll be able to do that. Let me look some stats up of this, and we'll see what it comes with. Oh, and below me down, it's only £13, so I can easily forgive some of this stuff for £13. Honestly, if I bought this for that, I wouldn't give a damn about this gapping or even that. That's not something I'd care about at this price range in the slightest. What I care about in this price range is, does it work and is it nice to use? This is one of those where the actual blade length is over 3 inches, but the cutting edge is right thereabouts. So here's my little tool. We go to there, you can see the actual entire blade length is about 3.2 inches for that, but we put that right at the back of the choil there, and you can see that's dead on basically 3 inches, which is legal. Very close, but it is legal. Or at least, you know, like I said, I'm not a lawyer, but as I make out the law to be, so you'll have to make up your own mind on that one. A nice thin blade stock, which is lovely to see. It's listed just as stainless steel, which is a bit meh. Not a fan of that. The handle is just listed as wood, and it is indeed wood. You have brass pins, a brass pivot pin. Other than that, this is just sort of an ultra budget but nice pocket knife. They're sort of competing with Rough Rider in this price bracket, and I mean, you can see this scale's, you know, not insignificantly thicker than this one, so they do have some weird things going on. But like I said, if I got this for 13, I wouldn't be mad. Especially just how well. This would be great as like an apple knife or something. Just really nice to cut through your lunchtime apple with or something. But there you go. The Antonini Siciliano. Cheers for watching. Thank you very much.